Hi, we're going to be making turtles today, which is one of our desserts we have. So you need croissant rolls or biscuit rolls, either way works. And then whatever you want to put inside. So I have marshmallows, Rolos, and pecans. But you can like add in peanut butter or whatever you really want into them. So you start off by opening up your roll of biscuits. And you just grab one of them. And then you just take whatever you want to put. Sometimes you should use a plate because it may be easier than what I'm doing. But you just grab whatever you want to put inside. So I'm just going to do marshmallows and Rolos. You can really do it however the easiest way for you. You just have to make sure everything inside your biscuit dough is covered. So you wrap it up however easiest. So to make sure there's no holes or anything in it. And it doesn't have to look pretty. Just however is easiest for you. And then you make sure, then you butter your pie iron. I made sure my pie iron was warm before I started, just so the butter just melts in easier. You just put it into your pie iron, close it, and then take it to the fire. Then you just put it on the fire where there's a lot of coals to keep it warm to cook it. And then we sing the ABCs twice, count to like 50, whichever way is easier for you. Just don't forget about it or you'll burn it. We'll come back in a little bit and see how it's doing. Hi, we've just finished cooking our turtle, so we're gonna see how it looks and if it's edible or not, because sometimes they become burnt. So you just have to make sure you close it more or it will explode like this one, but it looks pretty good. It didn't take that long to cook, just a couple minutes. It just depends on how hot your fire is. And ours is extremely hot today. If you try it yourself, let us know. Bye!